Hi everyone, welcome back. We're up here in Collingwood, close to Blue Mountain. We're staying at the lake at Blue Mountain Motel. And today's kind of a gloomy day out here, but I came out to sit outside and I noticed we have a lot of rain clouds today. And I love watching cloud formations. And if you take a look in the sky, just filming right now, you can physically see the clouds are moving. So I thought, what better time than to do a time lapse? So we're gonna set the camera at 4K 30 and do intervals of 2 seconds. And I think I'm gonna film for about an hour and 10 minutes. And see what kind of time lapse. I mean, this is kind of cool watching the clouds moving even without being a time lapse. Anyways, sit back and enjoy and let us know what you think. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.